जीत जीत
बोलो ना.
अरे सुनो ना.
बोलो.
आई थिंक यू डोंट लव मी.
अरे ये कहाँ से आया? सुबह तो विश किया था आई लव यू.
अरे तो क्या एक बार आई लव यू बोल जाने से आई शुड फील ऑल लव एंड ऑल? ऐसा नहीं होता. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता है. आई थिंक most of my listeners also feel exactly the same way. What do you think? Yes, most of us do feel that our partners do not love us enough. They express very little and show least affection. Somewhere deep down in our heart, we know that they love us, but I think we need to re emphasize that feeling of being wanted and important over and over and over again. And saying I love you too will not fulfill the void and the need that we have inside our heart. So, for all you guys who are feeling exactly the way I feel, stay tuned till the end and you will get to know the reasons behind why we feel such void. Hi, this is Ruchi Hirani, mother to this amazing daughter, wife to a superhuman, a lot foodie, a little crazy, but a strong believer. Choreographer turned homemaker turned author, and now a couple clarity expert, creator and curator of Happily Ever After lifestyle. My mission is to help millions of newlywed couples to design the first 5 years of the marriage in a way that they overcome all the negative emotions by themselves, transform themselves into a power couple, and then design their own happily ever after. So now, talking about today's topic, why I love you is not sufficient. Why is it not enough? Because there is a lot more than just expressing your love, your affection, and your care through words. So let's have a look. Jeet, I was telling you about the void that I am having since morning. Okay, वो तो ठीक है, but what do you feel? Don't you feel empty when I do not express much? And don't you feel little lost and lonely and you don't feel like that you're not important?
No, as such I don't feel that way. And let me think over it. When I'm alone, I do feel that I should be around you, around Viha. I need to talk to you. I need your attention. Only when I'm alone, without any work, and that is very less duration of the day. Almost, I'm almost occupied with my work, or I do sometimes help you with your housework. But yeah, sometimes I feel that when I'm alone, my mind is free from the work. My mind is not occupied of work. Yeah, I feel that I need you at that particular time. Otherwise, I don't have that constant feeling of not being loved, I guess.
Because I love you.
Yeah, you do, and I also love you.
Yeah, you know, but I am not able to accept it at this moment. You know why? I am feeling so much tied up and I miss our drives, I miss our dinner dates, I miss our movie dates. I miss so much. Like because of this physical environment, we are in the same routine from last so many months. I feel that it's forever. I I miss all that,
Yeah,
I need
yeah,
a
yeah.
break.
I do also agree that we are not even binge watching movies or series. We are not forget about binge watching. We are also not watching actually any single series or
I
movie
know,
also.
it's been the entire lockdown. I've just not seen any series on Netflix. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
we need to better. I guess we need to better manage our time in the sense.
But how? It's like, see, there are no house helps. Entire day, just like half of the day goes in cooking, cleaning, and then just jahan free hote hai, then we have to give time to Viha because she's getting, she's getting elder and she needs attention, she needs time, and moreover, she's so much energetic. She needs to somebody to play all the time. And after, when I am free or when I am resting, you are busy with your client calls, you are busy with the student internship, and when you get free, I am dead tired. And it's not possible, we are not able to have that kind of free time together, and that's the reason maybe I feel so much. I actually miss our old happy times. I
Yeah.
am happy, but I still miss it.
I never thought this way. I thought that yeah, we are both occupied with each other's work, both occupied with some of the housework, and then both are equally exhausted, and we just seize of the day with the sleep. But I never thought that it would make you unhappy.
It is. So, see, I am not saying that I am unhappy. I am happy right now because I'm getting ample of time to focus on my career and my baby. But see, मेरे लिए ये सब कुछ शुरू तुमसे हुआ था. तुमसे शादी करके मुझे ये ससुराल भी मिला और वो ससुराल के कारण आज वो घर काम भी है और मेरी बच्चू भी है. सो मेरे लिए हमेशा से तुम प्रायोरिटी हो. For me, you come before anybody and everybody else. And that is the reason I feel the void, because right now you are coming at the very, very last. Not I blame you for that, but I feel that, okay, I miss you like that. That's it. No hard feelings, but I do miss you.
So yeah,
I miss us.
Yeah, it's interesting that even if you are occupied with your work, you're happy with your work, you're happy with the house chores, you are happily enjoying time with our daughter, still you have some void.
Of course I will, because you matter more than anything else.
Yeah. True.
Alright, so you guys out there, tell me, how are you managing your love life? How are you managing your married life in this lockdown? I mean, for all the newlyweds, it must be really hectic. Suddenly no house help, getting under house arrest. It would be romantic, but it will also be very tiring. So let me know in the comments below, or message me and tell me how are you spending your lockdown in a very unique way, and I will share you mine too.
Day before yesterday, you were just on your live call on Instagram Live, and you were talking about some love language. So what actually what actually the love language is about, and how in this particular lockdown this love language can help?
So Jeet, basically there are 5 love languages that every human has. The permutation and combination can be different, but this love language is what defines their emotional question. The 5 love languages are word of affirmation, gifts, acts of services, quality time, and physical touch. So let me help you with an example to explain this. Your love language is quality time, if I am not wrong. You like to spend a good weekend lazing around with me, sipping a cup of coffee, binge watching Netflix, or just be there, talk, listen to songs, or sing songs. So that's your way of expressing love, and this can vary from person to person. And now what happens is, if one partner's love language is not identified and expressed by the other partner, then there is a void and they feel they are not loved or not important. So that is the magic of love language, and why one should know each other's love language.
Oh, I see. Now I got some clarity about it.
So you got clarity about love language, but do you have clarity that which is my love language?
Not sure about it, but is it receiving gifts?
When did I enjoy receiving and giving gifts? That's part of the ritual, you can say, but that's not my love language at all.
So let me second guess. You are a foodie, so eating different cuisines, and
that makes me happy, but that's not my love language.
okay, spending time together and eating.
That makes me happy. That is what I said. That's a permutation and combination, but that's not my love language. Come on, Jeet, we are live on podcast and you don't know my love language?
Yeah, it's a bit embarrassing for me, but yeah, I give up. Now you only tell me what's yours.
I am not gonna tell you. You got to go on my website, and there I have mentioned a free Know Your Partner test. You better go and take it, and for next time you need to know that what is my love language.
So will it also help your subscribers?
So yes, definitely it will help all my listeners out there. So guys, if you are really looking forward to know your partner, there is this tool available on my website www.ruchihirani.com, where you can just log in and give a Know Your Partner test absolutely free. And what you will come to know will amaze you totally. And if you love the results that you are seeing in front of your eyes, do share a screenshot and let me know how true it is. I am sure you guys will have a wonderful time knowing each other and how much you love each other.
So your viewers will be having a solution to love their partner in this lockdown?
Of course they can. Love is all in the wrong places, so why will lockdown stop anyone for loving anybody?
Sounds interesting. Let me check now then.
So you better go and check now, and I sign off. Bye, this is Ruchi Hirani, mother to this amazing daughter, wife to a superhuman, signing off, saying bye-bye, stay in love, stay happy, because happily ever after does exist, my friends. I love you all, and thanks for showering so much love and support for all the episodes before this. Keep showing your love, keep showing your support, and follow me on Instagram at Ruchi07 so that you get a lot of content and connections forward. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend, guys.